Hi, my name is Trey Du. I'm a support engineer here at UN Solutions. Today I'm be showing you how to set up a run integration task on your integration. To get started, you can just go to your processes tab and open up any old integration that you want to start adding this to. So I'll just go ahead and go into this one and modify the process. Once inside here, we'll want to head to the tasks tab and we will start from here. Once here, press the add task and it will give you all of these options. So we'll just give it a name. I'll call this one run test integration. Test integration. Then in the type, I will go ahead and click the run integration type. So you have all of these options, but today we're going to be trying to set up a run integration. Now on the stage, we will only have three options of pre-task, post-success, and a post-failure. Pre-task will run before this integration even runs, and it can get you some data or set some variables or whatever you would like. Post-success will only happen if this integration is successful, and post-failure will only run if this is a failure. So let's do a post-success. So now you can go and select your integration that we want to run. You will need to create this integration before you can put it here, obviously. So I have all of these options. I'll just go ahead and click this random one right here, and it will run that integration once it is a successful run of this integration. So then we have a few more options here that we can set up if we want. So this option, use data from parent, updates the integration to run. This will just use the data source from the parent, which we are currently on the parent, and then it would apply it to this new integration. If they both have the same data source or the same data type, it will use that. Use parent variables, very similar to this one. It will just use the variables from the parent integration in the next integration. So instead of resetting all the variables back to blank or whatever their default values, it will keep the values in those parent variables so that it can actually continue being used in all these integrations. This is really useful if you have a bunch of integrations you want to chain together. And then this is just a more of quality of life checkbox here, show in new tab. This will just show the integration in the new tab when running them all, so you can maybe more easily see what's happening instead of just keeping it all in one. So then you want to make sure this task is enabled, and then on success, either go to next step or quit or cancel processing are your options. Most likely you want to keep this on go to next step on success. On failure, you do have these options to quit or cancel processing, which can be advisable if you want your integrations to not run if your first integration is not successful. But if you want to run regardless, you can go ahead and press this. But you might also want an integration post-failure task if that is what you are going after. Once you have all your options selected, go ahead and press save. It'll add this right here. And then if you just want to change the stage at all, go back in here and you can update the stage of wherever you want to set this, and it will update here. And if I had more tasks, you would see their stages and it would move up and down. But it is as simple as that for setting up a run integration task on your SmartConnect maps. Thanks for watching.